Hi, welcome. This is definitely something that we've never done before. I have here is a ginger biscuit. And what I'll be doing, this came as a pair, and I'll be measuring the gingerol in one of these ginger biscuits and essentially telling you what the kind of pungency is of the ginger biscuit. It's probably worth saying on this channel in the last few days, I've definitely released videos measuring ginger root, and I've definitely released videos measuring ginger powder. We are definitely going to be on a different order of magnitude when it comes to gingerol in a ginger biscuit. So what I'll do now is just say if you want to contact us, you can contact us. But that said, I've got the technology in front of us, and I will start clicking and getting this going. So the first thing I'm going to do is just say I've got 100 milligrams already pre-weighed out on this balance. I'll just get a little tube and I will transfer the ginger biscuit. So I took a mortar and pestle and I got the ginger biscuit into that little vial. All very fun. I'll take that scale out of the way now so that I can see. And what I'm going to now do is I'm only going to add 400 microliters of buffer. You'll often see when we're testing ginger root, I'll add 900 microliters. When I'm testing ginger powder, you'll see I end up doing what's called a 1 in 100 dilution. This is just a 1 in 5 dilution, but let me do it so you can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 400 microliters plus 100 milligrams. This is what it looks like. This is the power of the kind of science that we do. I am going to vortex it. These kind of benchtop vortexes really should only cost you £100, €100, $100. So I'm vortexing away. I might just count 20 seconds now so you can kind of get a sense of how long this is going for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so there we are. We've got a kind of mushy suspension now of ginger biscuit / ginger cookie in the buffer. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to name it on the app so I can find it. So I'll go ginger cookie. I'll do the 2. That'll help me identify the data. And I will get a fresh sensor, snap it off its carrier, put it into the instrument. I want to grab 50 microliters of that sample I've prepared. Now the reason I've done a 1 in 5 dilution is because I know with ginger root, if I press it, I need to get, I do a 1 in 10 dilution. If I'm doing ginger powder, I do a 1 in 100 dilution. But a ginger biscuit is not as pungent as a ginger root. It's going to be an order of magnitude less. So I will just put my drop on like that. I'll make sure that I choose the 1 in 5. So I'm doing that, start measurement, and off it goes. Now the actual analysis only takes 13 seconds. I can see a small peak there, and then it'll do it again, and I'll see another small peak. Yeah, so these are the small peaks for gingerol, but you don't have to interpret that data. It is very mild. In fact, it's wonderful because I've been doing some testing this afternoon, and I've been testing ginger root, and I got approximately 2000 ppm. I tested a ginger powder. I got about 27,000 ppm, but then this guy, I mean, it's a ginger biscuit. It's 175 ppm, and it was the order of magnitude that I was kind of expecting. I just want to kind of show you that what's really cool about this system is it's not just gives you a number. It also, we can basically get traceability on the data. So if I come in here, I just do a refresh here, and I can look at my data, and it will be quite small peaks because this is only 175 ppm. But I can see the peaks here for peak 1, peak 2, and there's just a wave here, which is what we call peak 3. And you can see us just picking up the gingerol peak here. I'll just give you a sort of sense of this. So this is the ginger powder that I did earlier on. 1 in 100 dilution, mind you. Not 1 in 5, but 1 in 100. Let's have a quick look at that data. I mean, that's a peak, right? So that's what a ginger powder looks like, and that's, 10x what we're talking about here at the moment. But the ginger cookie itself, yeah, we did a 1 in 5 dilution. You can just about see what we call peak 1. There's a little wave here, peak 2, and then peak 3. And so it's a very small little wave, and therefore it only translates to about 175 ppm. Now, if you've got any questions about our capability of actually measuring complex samples like ginger cookies, ginger biscuits, and picking up the total gingerol and therefore the total pungency in those biscuits or cookies, don't hesitate to contact us. Okay, thanks very much.